However, we are using the designs here and generating the shapes. Select design. Here it is. But we will keep using the designs here. So still we have to make it so and around it. Here it is. Shape we have using that tool.